I'll be totally honest now, and this machine down there, a washing machine, I've never operated one in my life. So with being at home and having a little bit more time around the house, I thought I would have my first go on a washing machine. And to help me, to show me what to do, is my lovely wife, Debbie.
Hello.
Hi, Debbie.
Hello.
Now, we've been married a good number of years. Do you know how many years we've been married?
32.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I asked you this morning, you didn't know.
Did you?
I knew it was 30 something.
Yeah, 33 this year.
It's 33 this year. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
no, not yet. Yes.
Okay. Well, we've been married 33 years almost. I've never operated one of these things. In fact, I used to come in and out this room that I believe is called a kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And I used to see this.
Alien to you.
I see this lump of white metal up the corner, and I wondered what it was. And you're going to show me how to do it.
Okay.
She's never too late to learn, are you?
No.
Okay, so there are all sorts of dials and knobs and what have you. There's a thing that opens there, and that's where you put the washing in. So first step is get some washing. Where's the washing?
In the bathroom. No, don't shut it yet. You've got to put the washing liquid in.
Okay. Well, you stopped me there from shutting the door because you said we have to put the washing stuff in now. Now let me have a guess. This is a conditioner,
Yes. Very good.
and this is the washing stuff itself.
Yes.
Because it tells you on the
Very
boxes, packets. What are they called? Tubs,
Bottles.
bottles, plastic bottles. So what do we do now?
This is your liquid detergent dispenser,
Okay.
and you have to put that to. There's a line inside. Fill it to the upper line because
Okay.
there's quite a bit in there.
With the washing stuff.
Yes. With
Okay. Right. So fill that up. Tell me when.
Not to the brim, just to the line. That's it.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
That'll do.
And where do we put this now?
On top of the washing, inside the washing.
Just throw it in.
No, just stand it on top.
Okay.
Rest it on top. At the very top.
Okay. Why does it have to be at the top?
Because it tells you to on the bottom. I assume because it goes round properly then.
Okay.
To be hidden inside the clouds otherwise.
Oh, okay. So that's just left open there on top.
Yeah.
And then what do we do with this? Just
You can
stick it in
shut
there.
the door now, so push the washing back in again.
Just put some of that in there.
No. Push the washing back in. And push the washing in because it'll be trapped in the door.
Okay. I'll do it.
Then shut the door properly.
Yeah.
Then open the drawer.
Okay.
And that's the... Not all the way, don't pull it out.
Just put. Oh.
That's the fabric softener one.
Just there.
Yeah, in the
Okay.
middle. That's it.
Okay.
You are only supposed to put a cap, but I always fill it because
Okay.
it doesn't work otherwise.
And then what do we do?
Close the drawer,
Okay.
turn the washer on.
Okay. What about all these dials and things?
This is the dial that you use.
Okay. So where do I?
Those are the temperatures that you use.
Yeah.
Very delicate to go on 30, but this one I'm going to do a 40 wash because
Okay.
they're not particularly delicate.
Is that the temperature? 40.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
So
that actually does the wash.
I haven't got my glasses on. Is that 40
That
there?
one there.
So I just go to 40.
Turn it to 40, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. And that's all you need to do on this one. It's a simple washing machine, fortunately for you.
Okay. And then where do I press
Then you
the
just
button?
press start and it starts and that's it.
Does it take a bit of time to
There
start?
you go.
Okay. That's sorted.
Your first wash.
My first wash. It's easy when you know how.
It is.